My first apartment was decorated with a string of paper lanterns from the dollar store. That's fine for an 18-year-old, but at some point you'll want to make your space more grown up. Make sure you have the following dorm room staples out of sight. Can I read it really quick? Just an Audrey Hepburn poster, a Scarface poster, fairy lights, beer pong cups, shower shoes, bed risers, a halogen lamp, a big jug of Jägermeister, and a bong. Good. Now let's decorate like a real person who lives in a real house. From Lifehacker, this is the summer of adulting. First rule, no posters taped to the wall.
No posters taped to the wall.
No posters taped to the wall. If you have a poster that means something to you, now's the time to get it protected in a frame. I have a trick for hanging pictures in a straight line. Tape a line of painter's tape along the top where they'll go. Make sure it's level by checking with your phone. Then measure each frame from the top to the hook, and that'll give you the spot for the nail. White linens make people think you have your life together, and they're easier to maintain than you think. Just wash them in hot water with detergent and some extra whitening agents. And make your bed every morning. It's an easy way to start your day productively, and it'll already be made when a guest suddenly stops by. If you're wondering why it doesn't quite feel like home, it's probably...
Take 3.
It's probably because you don't have shades or curtains. Ah, there we go. Buy a set of matching towels. No more mixing and matching an assortment of beach towels from your childhood and hand towels that you got for free for signing up for a credit card in college. Have enough so there's always a clean one available. Roll them up and put them on a shelf for an added special touch. And get a nice, real, reusable soap dispenser. Get some houseplants that are hard to kill. Good ones are succulents, orchids, and aloe. It shows responsibility, and it's the first step towards being a responsible person who could keep things alive. Get this right, and maybe you could have a pet, and someday, even a baby. No rush. If your place is still feeling empty, you may be tempted to run out and buy things to try to fill it up, but you really only need to bring in things that you love. If decor doesn't have a story, it's just clutter. It's just clutter. It's just clutter. It's just clutter.
Maybe it's just clutter, and you don't need that.
And you don't need that.